Okay, guys, this is our second Google Doc lesson, or our second Google Doc video. So make sure that when you log into your Google account, you've got your letter up here that says that it's you. And we're going to click on our matrix, and then we're going to go down and click on Docs. And once you click on Docs, it's going to open up all of the docs that you have created and saved. The one that you made or the one that you started last week, the one that was titled All About Me, should be down here. You don't have to create a new one. It should have saved. So we're going to find the one that says All About Me, and we're going to click on it to open it. And there is my title and my 3 sentences or more that I started last week, just like you guys did. So we're going to change a couple of things today on our doc. I'm going to teach you how to highlight things so that you can change them. We're going to change the font style, the font size, the font color, and we're going to learn to put things in the center of the page, especially if we add images and things later. So whenever we want to change something, we have to click and drag and highlight over it in order to go up to the toolbox and change it or edit it. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to click and highlight all of the text, and then we're going to go up here to where it says Arial, and if you hover over it, it says font. So we're going to pick a font style, and you can go ahead and you can come down and pick any sort of font that you want. I'm going to pick the one at the top called Coming Soon. And then as you see, it changed the way my font looked, or it changed the font style. So that's how you change the font style. I'm going to leave all of my text highlighted, and then I'm going to come up here to where it says font size, and I'm going to click the down arrow so that it gives me the menu of all the different sizes. And I'm just going to change it to 14 to make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And then I'm going to click down at the bottom of my page so that my text is no longer highlighted, because the only thing I want to edit right now is my title. So I'm going to click, highlight my title, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to make my title a little bit bigger than the rest of my sentences so that it stands out. So I'm going to make it 24. And then there's other things that you can do to make your title stand out or change the style. One is bold. The other one is italicize, which makes your letters slanted. Looks like that. The other one is to underline it. And then bold just makes it darker. You don't have to do all three. I'm just going to go ahead and underline mine. And then I'm also, after I underline it, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change the text color. And you could pick any color you want, but, my favorite's purple. You know that. So I'm going to change mine to purple. Okay. Now, I'm still highlighted on my title. I'm not quite done with it yet. I'm going to go ahead and come up here. This is left align, center align, and right align. And I want my title to be in the center. So I'm going to click center align. And it's going to put my title in the center for me. So I have changed the font color, which is up here. I have changed the font size, which is your drop-down menu. And I've also changed the font style, which is up here on your toolbar also. And other ways that you can make things stand out, you can click bold, italicize, or underline to make it stand out even more. And those are the only things we're going to do to our doc today. If you need to finish typing your sentences, or you want to add some more, now's the time that you can do that. But when you think you're done, I'd like for you to raise your hand and show it to me.